In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a question bank in Moodle. If you've already created questions outside Moodle or exported them from another site, importing them into your course can save you a lot of time. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so everything lands exactly where you expect. First, open the question bank for your course. From your course page, look for the More menu and choose Question Bank. Depending on your site's theme, you might also find it through the Course Administration menu. If you don't see the Question Bank option, make sure you're in the correct course and that you have editing rights. Inside the Question Bank, switch to the Import tab. This is where Moodle reads your file and converts it into questions. You'll notice there are several supported formats. Pick the one that matches your file. Moodle XML is the best choice when you want to preserve extra details like feedback, images, hints, and tags, especially if the file originally came from Moodle. GIFT and Icon are simple text-based formats that work well for straightforward multiple-choice or true-false questions. Blackboard and other formats are there for content moved from different systems. If you're unsure, check the source of your file or its extension. For example, Moodle XML files typically end in .xml. Next, set the destination category in the General section of the Import page. This determines where the imported questions will live inside your question bank. Choosing the right category now keeps your quizzes organized later. If you haven't set up categories yet, you can create them from the Categories tab in the question bank. Clear category names, like by topic or week, make questions easier to find and reuse. Now upload your file. Use the file picker to drag and drop from your computer or select a file already stored in Moodle. Confirm that the chosen file type matches the format you selected earlier. When you're ready, click Import. Larger files may take a moment. Moodle will display a summary of what was imported and flag any items it couldn't read. If you see errors, they usually indicate a mismatched format or a file that needs minor cleanup. Correcting the format and trying again typically resolves it. That's it. Your questions are now in the category you selected, ready to be added to quizzes and activities. By choosing the right format, setting a clear destination category, and using the file picker to upload, you'll keep your question bank clean, organized, and easy to manage.